Alright, HBA, we have made it to the end of the week, and this is our last assignment for science. It is the Friday assignment, December the 11th, and we are going to look through it. It's real simple, guys. It kind of combines a little bit of math, so you're going to have to do a little bit of work, but it is only 4 questions, guys. Only 4 questions, okay? So we are going to work out the first one, and Miss Heard will read through the other 3 questions, maybe help you set up the problem, and you finish the rest, okay? Now, let's start with our first one. It says, today's high temperature in Buffalo, New York will be 33 degrees Fahrenheit. Tomorrow's high temperature will be 7 degrees warmer than today's. What will tomorrow's high temperature be? Based on what we know that right now the temperature is 33 degrees Fahrenheit. And it says that the degrees is going to be 7 degrees warmer than today. Now, if something's going to be warmer, am I going to go increase or add my temperature, or am I going to decrease and take away from my temperature? And the answer to that is warmer equals adding temperature, and cooler equals taking away temperature. And I'm actually going to write that up to the top, okay? Warmer equals add temperatures. I'm just going to put temps. And cooler or colder equals subtract. Okay, that's just a tip for you. You're going to be able to use that as you work on these word problems, okay? Warmer means I'm going to add my temps. Cooler means I'm going to subtract my temps, okay? All right, now that we're going warmer or hotter, I'm going to add 7 degrees to my temperature. And when I do that adding, I do 7 plus 3 gives me 10. My 0, carry my 4. I get 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So tomorrow's temperature would be 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Now, let's go read question 2. 3 inches of snow fell on Monday. 5 inches of snow fell on Tuesday. 1/2 inch of snow fell on Wednesday. How much snow fell during these 3 days? Okay? They ask you how much snow fell. They ask you in all, which tells me that I am actually going to add. Okay? To set up your equation, you are going to pull out all 3 of your numbers. I have 5. Then I have 3. And then I also have a 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. So I'm going to add 1/2 inch, which is like 50 cents. So I'm going to add 0.5. I'm going to make it a decimal. It's a little easier for me. Then I'm going to also add 0.0 behind all of these because 5 is the same as 5.0. 3 is the same as 3.0. All right, let's add them up. 0, 0, 5, 5, 3, 0, 8. So 8.5 inches of snow. Now, if you want to do it in terms of fraction sense, I can add my 5 and my 3 first, add my whole numbers together, and then I will add my fraction to it, which will give me the same answer, which is 8.5. Which is equivalent to 8.5. Okay? All right. My third one, an anometer recorded yesterday's wind speeds. The strongest wind gust was 43 miles per hour. The second strongest wind gust was 39 miles per hour. How much stronger was the first than the second? So they put the ER, how much stronger, means I'm going to be using my form of subtraction. So set the problem up so you can subtract it and get your answer. Okay? Oh, I forgot my C and subtract. I'm going to just put it in there. Yeah, I'm going to have to erase and write it. Yeah, teachers make mistakes too. All right, last question. This year, Buffalo, New York had 49 inches of snow in January. Last year, Buffalo had 19 inches of snow in January. How much more snow did Buffalo receive this January? Much more is an indicator that I will subtract. So use your numbers in here, which are 45 and 19. Set it up for subtraction. Okay, I'm going to go back to 3 and circle my numbers as well, so you can set that up for subtraction. All right. Okay, if there are no more questions, and I'm pretty sure if you have one, you know that you can reach out to Mrs. Heard-Hixon at 256-513-8064. Call or text me or shoot me an email at rheardhixon.rheshsva@gmail.com. All right, guys, I hope you have a good weekend. This was the last one of the week, and I hope you enjoy your time. Bye, guys.